Here I have Motorola Moto E6i, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off. And after your device turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen of your device turns on and you can see Motorola logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. Just like this. In the following menu you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select the second option, reboot to Bootloader. And after that you'll basically enter this boot mode. So here at the upper corner it says fast boot mode, but it's like some other fast boot mode, not the one that we had in this previous menu. So if you want to quit this boot mode, you have to hold down power key for about 7 seconds, and after that device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.